Welcome to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at the Ferrari F812 N-Largo, a creation that combines Ferrari's exceptional engineering with Novitec's bold design philosophy. This is a car that takes the already breathtaking 812 superfast to a whole new level of performance and style. Let's start with the exterior. The N-Largo is a wide-body masterpiece, featuring custom carbon fiber components that add 14 centimeters to the car's width. The aggressive front splitter, side skirts, and rear diffuser don't just look stunning, they also enhance aerodynamics. The signature Novitec wheels, designed specifically for this model, complete the striking look. Every detail of the design screams performance while maintaining the unmistakable Ferrari elegance. Step inside, and you're reminded that this is still a Ferrari at its core. The cabin features premium materials like Alcantara and leather, paired with subtle Novitec touches that elevate the experience. It's luxurious, driver-focused, and as refined as you'd expect from a car of this caliber. Under the hood, the F812 N-Largo retains Ferrari's naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, but Novitec has worked its magic to push it even further. The result? A jaw-dropping 840 horsepower and 750 Nm of torque. This additional power comes from a fine-tuned exhaust system and ECU remapping, ensuring that performance matches the car's aggressive looks. On the road, the N-Largo is pure adrenaline. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just 2.8 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 201 miles per hour. The sound of that V12, amplified by the Novitec exhaust system, is nothing short of an orchestra of power. The car's handling is razor-sharp, thanks to its enhanced aerodynamics and Novitec's suspension tweaks, which lower the ride height for improved stability and cornering precision. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. With only a handful of units produced worldwide, the N-Largo is as exclusive as it is extraordinary. Each one is tailored to the owner's specifications, ensuring no two are exactly alike. Owning this car isn't just about performance, it's about owning a piece of automotive art that turns heads everywhere it goes. The Ferrari F812 N-Largo is a celebration of engineering, design, and passion. It takes everything Ferrari represents and pushes it to the extreme, making it one of the most remarkable cars on the road today. Thank you for joining us for this review of the Ferrari F812 N-Largo. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, share and subscribe for more in-depth looks at the world's most incredible cars. See you next time.